We all want to live a healthy life, which means we need to maintain an appropriate exercise and nutritional routine. This is another video to help you understand the best tips, facts, and hacks to do just that. It's no secret more people are committed to leading healthier lives with better decisions on health, food, and exercise. This is why you'll notice apple cider vinegar in more locations and hear more conversations across the globe about the amazing health benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar. Let's start with this. It's not new information. Apple cider vinegar has been a go-to natural choice to combat health problems for many years, even ancient years. Well, today, we're going to review just what those benefits are, along with some helpful tips on how to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your nutritional plan. So, what is apple cider vinegar and how does it work? Apple cider vinegar is a form of apple-based vinegar. That should be pretty obvious. It's fermented apple juice, to be precise. Apples are smashed and exposed to yeast to generate apple cider vinegar. The natural sugar in the apple gets fermented and transformed into alcohol, similar to how wine is made. The distinction is that apple cider vinegar is fermented twice, first for alcoholic cider and again for vinegar. Now you have a super-packed nutritional choice with impressive benefits. For weight loss, drink apple cider vinegar. The majority of individuals use apple cider vinegar for weight loss, but most are unaware of its other health benefits. That's because apple cider vinegar has been long utilized as a weight loss aid. Numerous research has shown that utilizing apple cider vinegar for weight loss is effective. They also discovered that it works even when no dietary adjustments are made. However, when apple cider vinegar is consumed in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle, the results are simply remarkable. So, how can something like this happen? Most people eat too much because they don't feel satisfied. Satiety, the sense of being full, is increased by apple cider vinegar, which is beneficial for sticking to a balanced diet. Especially at the beginning of your weight reduction journey, this is when you may require some assistance to get started and stay on track. How does apple cider vinegar assist digestion? As I previously stated, apple cider vinegar aids digestion. When it comes to digestion, apple cider vinegar can help. Heartburn will be gone, bloating will be reduced, and general digestion will be improved. Just to be clear, discomfort and pain are not normal. When we experience pain and discomfort after eating, we should pay attention to our bodies and recognize that something is wrong. Perhaps we overate, or perhaps our digestive system is malfunctioning. Proper digestion necessitates the presence of adequate acid in the stomach for the nutrients in our meal to be absorbed. Food is not effectively broken down, and nutrients are not digested when there isn't enough acid, which can lead to digestive troubles like the ones I outlined. When you drink apple cider vinegar for digestion, your body produces more acid. As a result, normal digestion is achieved. We suggest targeting a tablespoonful of apple cider vinegar in the morning and another at lunch. This can be taken straight or diluted in a 4-ounce glass of water. Diabetes and apple cider vinegar. Now, there are a few things you should know about apple cider vinegar and diabetes. Apple cider vinegar is excellent for preventing diabetes. As a result, if you have a family history of diabetes, you should drink apple cider vinegar to lower your risk. Now, when fasting, so without eating, apple cider vinegar has been demonstrated to reduce blood sugar levels, which is especially advantageous for people who have trouble controlling their blood sugar levels, such as diabetics. This, however, will not be a substitute for medication. For diabetics, a good diet and regular exercise are always suggested. If you have diabetes and take insulin or prescription medicines, you should discuss this with your doctor before consuming apple cider vinegar, since it might cause your potassium levels to dip lower than an optimal level. Cancer and apple cider vinegar. When evaluating the different types of cancers your body can experience, studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can aid in cancer prevention by promoting good health. There are numerous variables and causes for cancer, and we still have a long way to go in terms of prevention and therapy. However, we do know that apple cider vinegar can lower cancer risk and slow the growth of cancer cells, or tumors. However, apple cider vinegar should not be used in place of cancer treatment or a healthy lifestyle for people looking to minimize their chance of getting various types of cancer. Apple cider vinegar, cholesterol, and blood pressure. Apple cider vinegar is known to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. How is this possible? Well, apple cider vinegar aids in regulating renin, which is a hormone created by your kidneys that controls the regulation of your blood vessel constriction and dilation. The blood pressure rises when the blood vessels contract. Because apple cider vinegar relaxes the arteries, blood pressure does not rise. A sure way to control your cholesterol levels is by incorporating a tablespoon before a meal, which will help decrease your cholesterol level. Apple cider vinegar contains several antioxidants, which have been proven to lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol in past studies. The effects of it on skin and hair. In addition to the amazing health benefits of apple cider vinegar, it's known to be extremely beneficial to the appearance and health of your skin and hair. Here are some ways how apple cider vinegar helps. The prevalence of acne is reduced. Sunburns can be treated and soothed with apple cider vinegar. We all like this one. Apple cider vinegar contains anti-aging qualities. It enhances hair health by decreasing frizz in the hair and closes the hair cuticles, which aids with moisture retention. And it's a natural remedy for treating dandruff. Is there anything that apple cider vinegar can't fix? No, I don't think so. It's crucial to remember, however, that applying apple cider vinegar to the skin without first diluting it with water is not suggested. Scalp itching. We all know it's not enjoyable or attractive to have an itchy scalp. Apple cider vinegar might be able to help. Because apple cider vinegar is antibacterial, it helps prevent itchy scalps by reducing fungus and germs. It's also really easy to use. Apply 1 part apple cider vinegar to 1 part water to your scalp before showering. Allow it to sit for around 5 minutes before continuing with your regular shampooing regimen. Like I said, apple cider vinegar destroys bacteria. Back in the day, apple cider vinegar was used to disinfect wounds and treat fungus. Because apple cider vinegar can quickly kill bacteria, it was and still is a fantastic approach to cure and prevent infection. It also prevents bacteria such as E. coli from ruining food, which is why it's so popular as a food preservative. It's also better than chemical preservatives because it's natural. Now, in terms of drinking apple cider vinegar, some folks just can't get past the taste. Don't worry though. If that's the case, we have other options to help you consume apple cider vinegar. You can easily add apple cider vinegar into your nutritional plan by including it in several recipes for things like salad dressing or marinade recipes. Now, if you don't have any issues with the taste, the quickest option is consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar directly from the bottle. If you need to dilute the taste a bit, you can add the same amount to water with lemon or fruit juice. If you need to dilute the taste even more, try adding a pinch of ground cinnamon or cayenne pepper if you want to spice it up. Another great option is adding a little honey to the mix. The last but surefire option is to add 1 tablespoon to your protein pre-workout shake and another tablespoon to your protein post-workout shake. Not all vinegars are the same strength. Remember, not all vinegar is the same. Balsamic vinegar, red wine vinegar, and white vinegar are not the same as apple cider vinegar. Because of minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, apple cider vinegar is slightly more alkaline. Because it's manufactured from apples, it has these nutrients, whereas white vinegar, for example, is made from alcohol. Because of these additional nutritional benefits, it's preferable to use this vinegar in cooking or homemade salad dressings. As we've discussed and you've now learned, apple cider vinegar has a wide range of health benefits. It's a completely healthy nutritional choice. To get the most out of apple cider vinegar, be sure it's raw and unfiltered. So, to recap, apple cider vinegar can improve digestion and serve as a natural laxative. It can lower blood sugar levels. It'll improve insulin sensitivity. It'll help people lose weight. It can assist with reducing belly fat, help lower cholesterol, as well as lower and control blood pressure when improving heart health, and can help prevent and decrease the risk of getting cancer, and it also slows down the growth of cancer cells. We hope you enjoyed this video and found new ways to improve your overall health by incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily nutritional plan with the simple steps we discussed. Be sure to like and share the video. Drop a comment down below. And of course, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.